Active tile, part 5. We've finished the CPU side code, or at least I hope. In the tile size exponent and discrete units x converted to global tile x, we take the tile size exponent and discrete unit x, and the first thing we want to do is look up the discrete unit span corresponding to the tile size exponent using our lookup table, and then we figure out how many discrete units can fill up all of these done spans. And this value, after we've floored it, will give us our global tile x value. We have an O in front of it for output. For the y version of the code, it's the same idea. We take the tile size exponent, the discrete units y, and we spit out the global tile y. So here's the exponent, the units. We use the exponent to get the number of discrete units in a given tile of that size. We take the position on the y-axis that this discrete unit is within the world map. We divide by the done span, and we floor it to get the output global tile y coordinate. What we did previously, what we did in this video, and what we'll probably do next. You've been on this video here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, and send me money in the mail.